Hello everyone. Let's solve this math challenge together. We are to get the value of m. So what do you think we should do? Let me teach you what to do. So we are going to begin with solution. So this is what we have. M plus 1 is equal to m. So we square both sides. And if you do that, we are going to have m plus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to m squared. Interesting. Now remember, for every a plus b to the power of 2, it is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so simplifying this, you are going to have m squared plus, use 2 to multiply this, so we have 2 multiplies m multiplies 1. Okay, then plus square this, you have 1 to the power of 2, and this is equal to m squared. So we keep simplifying, we have m squared plus multiply this, you have 2m, then 1 squared is 1 times 1 to give us 1, and this is equal to m squared. So what do? We collect like terms. M squared, so this is going to move to the left. Because it's addition, we subtract. So we have minus m squared, then we have plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to have this minus this is gone. So we have 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So because we want to find m, we need to take this to the right side and we are going to subtract. So we subtract 1 from both sides. So 2m will give us negative 1. So to get m, divide by the coefficient. And if you do that, m will give us negative half. Okay, so this gives us the value of m. Now let's plug this value to see if we put it at the left side, will it still give us that m back? So to do a check, we're going to have our m is negative half, then plus 1. Will it be equal to our m, which is negative half? Let's simplify. So we can, to clear this denominator, we can multiply each by 2. So we're going to have 2, we multiply negative half plus use 2 to multiply 1. Okay, is equal to, also do same here. We are going to use 2 to multiply negative half. So if you do that, we are going to have this, we cancel this, so we are left with negative 1. Then multiply this, we have 2, and this we cancel this, we are left with negative 1. Simplify, we have negative 1 plus 2 will give us 1. Is it equal to negative 1? But you know too well that this and this are not the same. So 1 is not equal to negative 1. And what it means is that the value of m we got as negative half is not a what? A solution. So I leave this open to you. What do you think should be the value of m for this given equation? Don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be there with you. And also like this video, share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you and bye-bye.